With a combined trade of more than $1.5 trillion, the 12 countries that make up the TPP are responsible for 40% of the world's economy. For U.S. companies, it's an opportunity to sell more products, and for a president in his final year in office, a chance to expand his legacy and counter China's growing influence in the Pacific.
With TPP, China does not set the rules in that region, we do. You want to show our strength in this new century? Approve this agreement. Give us the tools to enforce it.
TPP would eliminate tariffs on thousands of U.S. products and create common trading standards. But not if protesters around the world have their say. In Santiago, Chile, farmers worry about the impact of new biotech standards. In Kuala Lumpur, protesters claim the U.S. wants to control business in Malaysia. And in Washington, where activists gathered on a rain-soaked day, TPP is an example of corporate greed run amok.
The TPP is a step in the direction of like a corporate dictatorship, a global corporate dictatorship. And I feel like it's kind of the end of like democracy and sovereign countries' rights.
Labor groups claim TPP is a betrayal of American workers and businesses who will not be able to compete with lower wage-earning countries. U.S. Trade Representative Michael Froman says that's not true, that TPP will boost exports and add $100 billion to the U.S. economy each year.
So if through this trade agreement we can disproportionately reduce barriers to other markets, bring down tariffs that are much higher in China, in Japan, Vietnam, Malaysia, et cetera, so that we can get access to those markets, raise standards in those countries so that we have a more level playing field on which we can compete, we're going to increase our exports.
But many aren't buying it.
They tell the same lies over and over again.
Even as finance ministers from the TPP countries signed the landmark agreement in New Zealand, conservative estimates suggest a working deal may be at least 2 years away. Lawmakers in TPP countries still need to review thousands of pages of new regulations. And despite prodding by the U.S. president, analysts say congressional approval in an election year is highly doubtful. In Washington, Mil Arcega, VOA News.